All right, you've heard from two members of the scientific community. Now let's hear how quantum is reaching enterprises from one of our startup partners, Michael Biercuk of Q-CTRL. Hi, Michael, welcome.
Hi. Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
I heard about some exciting results that you might have just obtained. Can you tell us a little bit more about this?
Yeah, we're absolutely thrilled to share some really, really big news with all of you today. Now, but before I get into it, let me ask a question of the audience. Who here is really excited about this session because of the science? You love the science and the technology of quantum computing. Great. And how many of you are really, really enthusiastic about the business impact of quantum for you and all the other sectors here? Well, fortunately, I have something for both of you, so everybody gets to go away happy. To understand what we were announcing earlier today, let me give you a little background on the business. Q-CTRL is focused on how software makes quantum hardware more useful. Now, we've been a partner with IBM going back all the way to the inaugural class in 2018 of the IBM Startup Network in the quantum area. We were the first company in the world to ever integrate our software with a major quantum cloud platform. That was IBM in 2023. We were the first Qiskit functions provider. And our focus has always been, how does software make the hardware better? Dealing with this problem that I know all of you have heard about, errors, the hardware failures that limit what we can achieve. We don't make the algorithms, we make it possible to run the algorithms better. Now, that word is really important because the beautiful demonstrations you've heard from Oak Ridge and from Cleveland Clinic have been about a different word. They've been about a word, useful. I want to go one more, better. In 2024, Jay challenged the community, saying that he believed it was possible to achieve quantum advantage, where a quantum computer was better than the alternatives, in 2026. It's 2026. And this morning, just after midnight, we announced that Q-CTRL and IBM together have achieved practical quantum advantage on a real problem with real business value.
That's amazing. Okay, this sounds really cool. What do you mean by practical quantum advantage?
Well, I think many people in the audience have heard this term, the holy grail, quantum advantage. What does it really mean? Well, we have a very specific definition. We don't want to focus on the theoretical possibilities of what you could in principle do. We wanted to focus on what you can do now. If you're a customer solving hard problems, you don't really care so much about what you could maybe do. You want to know what you can do today. So practical quantum advantage refers to the idea that we're going to solve a real problem, not a test problem, not a problem designed to test quantum computers, a problem that people pay money to solve today. For us, it's a problem in material science. We had to show that it gave us the right answer, so we compared against the best approximate tools that we have. And the exciting thing is we showed it was better. It was faster, and not just a little bit faster. Comparing the IBM quantum computer running our infrastructure software, we pushed this problem so far to 120 qubits, about 10,000 2-qubit operations. So far that emulating that with a classical computer took over 100 hours on a cluster. 2 minutes versus 100 hours. That's a 3,000 times speed up owing to access to quantum computers.
It's an amazing result. How did you do it?
It's all about unlocking this latent performance inside the machines. IBM Quantum Platform is really incredible for lots and lots of reasons, from the hardware to the uptime that everybody can achieve with it. But we focused exclusively on ensuring that everything we did was replicable by everybody in the audience. No special behind-the-scenes access, no hero experiment status. You had to run it through IBM Cloud. It had to work. And we're extremely excited that the package we've built to unleash this performance and give rise to these extraordinary results in a material science problem for energy, they are becoming released as a new Qiskit function a little bit later in the year. So anybody here can do exactly the same calculation and then expand into even more exciting things.
Awesome. So what are the key advantages this last couple of seconds.
Faster isn't good. 3,000 times faster isn't enough. It's really about what else we can do. We started with problems where we knew what the answers were, and we showed that the quantum computers were faster at achieving them. Next is exploring regimes of physics for materials, for energy transmission, for battery design, where we've never, ever been able to solve these problems before. That's what's so exciting.
Awesome. Wow. Well, what a way to end. Thank you so much, Michael.
Thank you very much.